guys, it's me Ems, and today I want to do a craft video about making an owl card, which I'll just grab. And it looks like this. This is the finished design. So, yeah. So what you need for this is you'll need some card, and it can be any colours. We've already pre-cut ours, so we've got a card here. And the things that you'll need to make this card, we need glue, a pen, some scissors, a pencil, and this is optional, you can use washi tape. And we've got our pencil case here just to colour in some extra bits. So what I'll do is, first I'm going to show you. So we're going to be drawing the design now, so we're going to zoom in and have a little look. So you're going to go a small triangle here, not complete. Another one here, a bit like a cat, and that's because they have the tufts of feather. And then you're going to come right out across. And then pop two biggish circles here, and we're going to stick some extra card over them. That's just to give us a basic idea. And then a beak, which will be made with other card as well. So that's the basic design. So we're going to do the eyes now, so I'll use this. And you're just going to do, you can use yellow, green, blue, red, any colours you want. So I've got one circle there. And we're going to do another one here, and so these are going to be the eyes, and then we'll do the pupils a bit later, which we'll just draw on. Alright, so those are the eyes. So we're just drawing the beak, and it's like a water drop, and now we're going to cut them out. So now I'm going to stick them all on. So you can use either PVA, but I'm just going to be using a Pritt stick. And you're just going to go one there, one there, and then the beak. So using a brown pen, you can use any colours, and we're just going to do the pupils. And then 2 little bits for the nostrils. And if you, this is optional, you can add like a few feathery bits. And now it looks like a cat with beaks. So now I'm going to cut it. And then once I've cut this, there will be, this is optional, you can add the decorative tape, which we're going to just do a little border with.
And then we're going to write a cute message in it.
Yep. So got the tape.
Don't mess the colours up.
Mess the colours up. What colour should I do?
That grey looks nice.
Yeah, right. Use grey. Try and get it opened. I'm just, should I go around the whole outside or just down like the side?
Down the sides.
And also going down the sides, it gives it a bit of a nicer fold.
So we'll see you when she's done.
So we finished that, and now time for the really cool message, and it's going to be obviously to benefit wildlife. So I'm going to say, when you are done with this card, place it in the recycling bin. Not on the ground. Well, that's all for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Hand, hand,
A quick note, if I can reach 30 subscribers or 30 thumbs up, then I'll do another craft video, a bit more fun, and yeah, so that's all for today, so thanks for watching, bye.